Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 12 little companion backpack. So if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 12 little companion backpack, which I'm so excited about. I had been eyeballing this bag for the longest time ever, and I'm finally doing a video on it. I will say that I have this packed up with no pouches, and I have it packed up for 2 toddlers. One that is currently potty training and the other one is still in diapers. So I think that is everything that I want to say. Before this intro gets any longer, let's just jump right into it. This is in the color platinum. They do have other colors on the website. I also do have an olive one, which is also really nice. It is made of this water resistant quilted nylon. So the material causes the bag to be super lightweight, which I really like. The weather here in Texas is really hot, and I've had other bags that just kind of make me sweat, and this one does not. It also does have vegan leather trimming, so it does have a magnetic closure right here in the front. You do have a zipper pocket, which could be like your mommy pocket, and then you have another pocket right here that runs all the way to about right here. And you have your main compartment, which has 2 zipper pulls, which I think is essential for a diaper bag. You also have 2 insulated bottle pockets, which is also really nice. You have a grab handle up at the top. You have backpack straps that are made out of the same padded material, which are really comfortable. They are also adjustable, super easy to adjust whenever you need to. The back is also padded for extra comfort. On the bottom here, you do have a secret compartment, and in here you can put any dirty stuff or anything else you really need to reach for. You also have metal feet. In the magnetic pocket, some wet ones. In the bottle pockets, I have a replay snack tower, and I usually keep some apples in here or some goldfish and pretzels. In this bottom zipper pocket, I keep a shirt and some shorts, and I have a jujube wet bag. In this front zipper pocket, I have a small set piece as my wallet, an Honest Company hand sanitizer spray, my keys, I have a mini wipe pouch with some hand and face wipes. So in this zipper pocket, a jujube coin purse, and in here I just have some Tylenol and some band-aids, a concealer stick, I have an eyebrow pencil and a pen gem from the Sensible Mama, and I also have a chapstick. I also keep my phone in here. I have a 7 Plus, or sometimes I will keep it in this magnetic pocket. So in the main compartment, so this is what the main compartment looks like. I'm gonna start from the middle. I just have my son's potty seat. Since we are potty training, this is essential that I take it everywhere. I was a little scared that it wasn't gonna fit in here, but it fit in here with room to spare. So in the back, you do have 2 elastic pockets. I have a silicone mat, and I also usually keep a bib in here. In this other elastic pocket, a Gerber's training underwear, and I also have some flushable wipes. Also in this main compartment here, I have an Itsy Itsy Mom Boss cover, and I have this in case we need some extra privacy. When my son really needs to go and we don't have a restroom to go to, he can go in the car, and I just put this over him and he has complete privacy. Turning the bag around, you can see that there is a zipper pocket here, and then you have 2 pockets that have some vegan leather trimming. In this one, I have a small set piece, and in here I just have some squiggies. In this pocket here, I have a wipe pouch with my wipes in it. I have a change pad from the Tote Savvy. This bag does come with a change pad. This is what the change pad looks like. This is the one from my Olive. It is pretty slim. It also does have some foam in it, so it makes it comfortable for baby. I will say this one is a really nice size, so it definitely fits toddlers really well. I also have 2 size 5 diapers, a Lysol to go, and a Dr. Smith diaper rash cream. This is our favorite diaper rash cream. If you've been seeing my videos, you know I always carry this because you just never know when somebody's gonna get a diaper rash. So in the zipper pocket, I have a play pack coloring book, this little doodle pad from the Target dollar spot. I really need to get another one. Gum box that used to have gums in it, but I repurposed it to put some crayons, and I have some stickers from some other play packs. So that is everything that I have packed up in the companion backpack. Definitely packs a lot. Now I'm just going to repack it all up. that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.